Hello everyone and welcome back to 85 Beauty Talks. My name is Keela Fowler. I'm the founder and CEO of 85 Beauty, and we are all about making makeup easy and accessible and getting rid of that notion that we are supposed to know how to do all of this because it's ridiculous and untrue. Today I am talking about a giveaway. I have a giveaway for you today because Secret Makeup Handbook has been out for a few months, and every time I talk with my makeup tune-up clients, I end up referencing it. And I end up talking about, oh, well, in this chapter, you're going to have this information. Oh, in that chapter, that's where you can look up that piece. And because it's so powerful, it's such a perfect foundation to understanding makeup, like how it works, why it works, all of that stuff. I was like, everybody kind of needs a chance to get on this. Now, everyone has a chance to get Secret Makeup Handbook. You can always go to 85beauty.com/secret makeup handbook and you can purchase it. It's always available. So you can do this whenever you're watching this, whether you're live or you're watching this on the replay. You can always purchase Secret Makeup Handbook. You can also get a free chapter. I offer a free chapter all day, every day, just by going to 85beauty.com/easy. It's the freebie that I give you for hopping on my email list, and I email you once a week. I share TV shows I'm watching, the makeup that I'm loving that week, these videos, like all sorts of really good stuff. So if you're not on the email list, get on the email list. But right now, I am going to, for 2 weeks, you have 2 weeks from today, which is March 29th, 2021. You have 2 weeks to enter the giveaway. I'm going to let you know right now, you should enter the moment that you hear this because I'm going to be giving you multiple opportunities to like boost your chances throughout the next couple of weeks. So just letting you know, like, get on that. Here's what you're going to do. Before I actually get into that, I'm first going to tell you a little bit more about Secret Makeup Handbook. So Secret Makeup Handbook was my answer to the question one of my clients had for me. And she said, was there like a class or like a handbook, that some like mystical handbook that I missed that one day that I was absent where like everybody else learned about this stuff? And I was like, no, but it feels that way. And so I thought, what are all of the things that if you knew these things, like all of the things about makeup, that if you knew them, suddenly everything about makeup would make more sense. Every time you went to purchase something, you would have more clarity on how to narrow down all of those options. If you could have something, if I could create something for you that once you learned it, you would feel 100 times more confident understanding what makeup is great for you, what you can avoid, and how to go about it. Like, when I thought those things through, the answer was Secret Makeup Handbook. And so it is a video series. You get a PDF download that includes all 10 chapters, and each chapter has a video and some additional resources. So these resources may be a video that I've done for 85 Beauty Talks. It could be a blog post. It can be other secret information that I give you. And there's also a thing I really, really love is my favorites list. Now, this isn't somewhere you can't get this anywhere else. It's the only place that you can get the favorites list. And the favorites list has all of my top favorites, favorite foundations, favorite concealers, favorite like brow products, like all of the stuff, and the direct links of where you can purchase it. Everything. It's all compiled for you in one perfect little place. And then the last thing that I was like, you gotta have some extras. It's actually not the last thing. There's 2 more things that are part of this. One, you get the Q&A. You guys, you have questions. Like, there are times where you're like, okay, so I understand this piece, but can you tell me a little bit more about this? There's a Q&A board that you get access to, and every month I take your questions and I give you a video response to answer all of the questions that you have. So you get access to that. And you get the makeup tutorial that works for everybody. This is like one of my favorite looks. I actually don't really talk about it most of the time that I'm wearing it, but it is a tutorial step by step with a pause feature in there. It tells you exactly when to pause so that you can do that part of the look and then click the play button to continue to the next step. It is awesome. All of that is included in Secret Makeup Handbook, and you are now going to get the opportunity to grab it for free. So what you are going to do is you're going to go to 85beauty.com/SMH giveaway. SMH for Secret Makeup Handbook. I'm going to pop it in the comments right now. Give my little typing fingers just one moment. And you can go to 85beauty.com/SMH giveaway and enter the giveaway right now. It's completely free to enter, and I want someone to get their pretty little hands on this as soon as possible. Again, you can purchase it whenever you want, and you're going to get the free download still. When you enter the giveaway, you're still going to get the free chapter. So you get to just get on top of it early and already start to learn and get much more confident, much more knowledgeable about makeup. I am hoping that you will share this with any and everybody who's interested in makeup, because just when you think that you know all there is to know, there's more. That's just all there is to it. There is always more to learn about makeup. I learn about makeup all the time from all of you, from playing around with it. Y'all, I just bought new stuff the other day, and I'm like, oh, here's a way I've never approached my face before. There's always so much to learn. So I hope you love it. Definitely enter the giveaway, and I'm going to see you next week for more 85 Beauty Talks. As always, stay fabulous. Bye, y'all.